Greetings everybody, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be discussing about how to use make.com to make money. So basically what this platform is about, it is about automating and different automations. So let's just say you are a social media manager and you need to create different kind of post ideas on a daily basis, and then you need to upload it. Then it is going to be uploaded onto your social media, like for example Instagram, Facebook, or etc. So this can basically automate it, right? So how you can do this to make your money. So before we move to that part, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month on free on pro plan. So that is something really important that is going to be helping you with amazing features to automate even more. So you can see you can make your AI agents to simply get your um, automations done. You can have intelligent, adaptable AI agents that are going to be helping you with your posts. You have your other AI tools, like for example, you can automate responses. So we can have WhatsApp chat bots. So you can even sell them. You can sell your AI agents to other companies and other clients who are interested to use the same thing that you're doing. And you can see you have your Google Sheets. You can start automating your Google Sheets as well. You can manage your data, backend stuff, and everything. So this eventually, alternatively, gonna be helping you with your money process and building you much more amount that you're building alone yourself, doing everything manually.